Hey everyone! Want to start a blog but don't know where to begin? I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to start a blog and make money. Let's get started. First, choose a niche you're passionate about. Whether it's food, travel, or personal finance, pick something you love and that has earning potential. Next, choose a blogging platform. I recommend WordPress because it's easy to use and highly customizable. Now get hosting and a domain name. Hosting is where your blog lives online, and your domain name is your blog's address. I use Bluehost for affordable, reliable hosting. Next, design your blog. Choose a clean, professional theme and customize it to match your brand. Don't forget to add an about page and a contact form. Now start creating content. Write posts that solve problems, answer questions, or inspire your audience. Consistency is key. Finally, monetize your blog. Use affiliate marketing, display ads, or sell your own products to start earning money. So, are you ready to start your blog and make money? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.